Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? I have a travel box. Yes, we're going to go traveling. I have our Trouvailles. It has came in, and I told y'all this would come in just a little bit sooner. I don't know if you recall, but we went to Egypt last time, and my box got lost. And so it took quite a while for me to get it, and I knew my next box would be coming in pretty quickly because it was almost like 7 weeks late. But that was just a shipping issue that it got corrected, and I got my box, and thank goodness we got to see Egypt. And today we are going to another country through Trouvailles. Now Trouvailles is a bi-monthly subscription. You can get this box for about $36.80 a month or $37. And the reason that fluctuates is it comes out of Canada. So right now it's $54.99 Canadian and $36.80, I think, American dollars. So whenever you go on, if you decide to subscribe, you will see a difference in the price variation for the U.S. conversion. So I just want to verify that because I know I've said $37.60 or $38, and now I'm saying $36.80. So that's what it is today. But that will give you some type of idea, and you can become a globetrotter like myself, which is a yearly contract, and it breaks down to about $33 and some odd cents change. So it's a very affordable box. We usually get, I want to say 5 to 6, maybe 7 items in each box, and it's artisans from that area, it's foods. It can be a variety of lifestyles, things that you would see if you were traveling to, and we're going to find out where we're going here. And if I haven't welcomed you to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here today, and I especially want to welcome all my friends, my subscriber friends. And if you are new here, I would just ask you to consider to subscribe. Let's pop in here. I see we have our postcard on top. That is one of the items that we get each month, and it looks like we're going to South Korea. All right. Isn't that beautiful? And how appropriate for the fall. Look at all those fall oranges and golden colors, the changes of the trees. That is just beautiful. And this says, the mountainous southern half of the Korean peninsula is an extraordinary, trend-setting, and culturally rich country. Get ready to experience traditional arts, modern trends, and tasty snacks. But isn't that pretty? That's beautiful. I don't know that I'll ever get over to Korea. They've got it marked with their little tag there, and there's another little sneak peek, and we're going to find out what's in there. This is our product card that tells us all about South Korea, and this is the September box, and I'm just getting it now. So now this may have shipped the middle of September, but it does take a little bit of time to get to us. And just remember too, this is bi-monthly, so we won't get another box until probably November. Now, it says, welcome to Korea. From the bustling and vibrant streets of its capital, Seoul, to the epic volcanic island vistas of Jeju Island, South Korea's landscapes are as varied and unforgettable as the country's iconic cuisine, with an ever-increasing international presence thanks to the rise of the K-pop music groups, Oscar-winning filmmakers, and growing reputation as a must-see tourist destination. South Korea is ready for its close-up. And then it goes on to tell us more things that are going on, like the festivals that they have. And they talk about the Mule Art Village. It's nestled in Seoul's old warehouse district. And the Mulek Art Village neighborhoods is filled with galleries, artisanal spaces, hip bars, and eateries. It's also the perfect spot for a one-of-a-kind souvenir. And we'll be picking up some souvenirs, I'm sure, through this box. And that's the one thing about Trouvailles. It's a chance to travel outside the United States through a box. And I know, as silly as that sounds, many of us would never have the opportunity to even know anything about some of these countries. So it gives us a chance to visit, and were you to tour it, you may pick up some of the items that we're going to see in this box. Now, The first item that I see, and I will not be able to pronounce these snacks, guys. I'm not going to try it. Some type of noodle snack. And let's see if we can find it here. It's right here. So it's a spicy rice cake flavor. I do like to eat rice cakes every once in a while, so I may like this. This is a spicy rice cake seasoned with, and I don't know what that is, pusha or crush with ramen noodles, and are devoured raw and crunchy, highlighting one of Korea's most loved street foods flavors. Simply pour in the flavor sachet, shake it up, and eat it. It's snack food meant to be played with. So that sounds interesting. So very good. And you can see the spice. It's got the little red pepper on there. So, might be a little hot. Have to see about that. And there's no prices on here, so I really don't know what, the prices are. And it'd be hard to figure that anyways, because that would be Korean prices converting into the U.S. prices. But the next item that I see is something called Peppero Cocoa Cookie Sticks. And that is right here. And it says, "Hello, Peppero." And it's an original, and it is sticks, and it says, "Given their similarity to the number 1 every November 11/11 is Peppero Day in South Korea, during which friends and lovers give one another boxes of these chocolatey, crunchy stick snacks. Now that's a tradition we can get behind." So that's pretty interesting. It's just a little bit different than, some of our, maybe like Valentine's or something where we'd give chocolate. They do this on 11/11. So very interesting. So you get to learn these new things about the countries too. The next item that I'm seeing in here, Caledon Duck Spoon Rest. And I'm wondering if that's what this is. It's all taped up. Let me find my scissors. It's got it wrapped up really good. I just got some Caledon ceramic pieces from Thailand. And I had some cats and some elephants. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to have this beautiful little duck. It's a spoon rest is what they call it. So isn't that just precious? But of course, I'm going to put it with my elephants and my cat. Oh my goodness, just so cute. This says first produced in Korea since the Goryeo dynasty, and I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, 918 to 1319. Caledon or greenware ceramics have long been admired and highly prized for their elegance, craftsmanship, and resemblance to jade. The duck-shaped spoon holder is sure to quickly become a gem in your kitchen. And, it'll come a gem. I'm not sure if I'm going to have it in my kitchen. But that's pretty cool. So it's a spoon rest. You just set your spoon on top of there. I'm going to set it right here on my computer. That is so cool. All right, guys, the next thing that we have are, guess what? One of my favorites, Korean face mask. Yes, indeed. They sent me some face mask. Yay! K-beauty is an international phenomenon, with mask treatments leading the charge. And the masks included here are suitable for all skin types. The Egg Collagen Essence Mask that replenishes moisture and improves elasticity, and the JM Solution Marine Luminous Pearl Deep Moisture Mask is a 3-parter that firms and clears, while the VT Cosmetic Pro Gloss Gold Capsule Mask contains real gold powder and honey extracts that purify and hydrate. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to try that. I think I have seen this. I think I may have even tried the egg mask because I do like to get the Korean mask. So these are wonderful. Okay, I was wondering if we'd get any mask in a Korean box, and I got my answer. And we got 2 good ones. That is wonderful. The next item is a sticky memo pad, and that is right here. And look at that. It is a kitty. It says South Korea is a capital of cute and clever stationery, and this furry friend sticker pad is so adorable you might not even want to use it for their intended purpose of quick notes and bookmarks. So the little kitty itself is the bookmark. That is so cute. I could see why they could say we might not want to use it. Might want to just set it on our desk. It says kitty house it. Well, I'm probably not going to be able to figure this out. But somehow or another, we're supposed to end up with it looking like it's sitting in a box. But this here is little Post-its. So you pull those off and post a note. So it's a sticky memo pad of a little kitty, and it's supposed to sit in there like a little cat in a box. See that? And I can't right now get that together. So I wanted you to see on there how it's supposed to kind of flip around and somehow or another become a box. I'll just have to tell y'all right now, I'm not very good at these kind of things at all. I'm not a crafty person, so it's almost like foreign language to me trying to do this. I don't have it connected properly, and I think it's supposed to be opened up, but I've kind of got him sitting in there. So this is how this little sticky note works, and I know as soon as I let go of this, it's going to pop away because I don't have it officially connected, but I wanted to give you the idea of how it's supposed to look once it's all once it's really truly together. All right, very cute. That is something else. So it shows you there how he's sitting there, and it looks like it can be inside the box, on top of the box. I guess there's different ways that you can put them together, and on the inside they're gonna, I guess, show us all the different ways that it can go. So that is just very cute. So they do have some clever little things there, don't they? Now the next item that I'm seeing here is called the Haiti Home Run Ball, and that's what this is. It says Haiti Home Run Balls have prompted nostalgic memories since their very first appearance in 1980 in near identical packaging, mini chalks pastries stuffed with smooth custard filling. They're great as is, frozen, or after a couple of minutes in the air fryer. Wow, so you can use them several different ways. So these are going to be some interesting snacks to try out for sure. And then the next snack that we have is called the Lottie Cocoa Pie, and that is this right here, and you can see it's got some green tea in there. It says Lottie Cocoa Pies are so popular on the southern Korean peninsula that it's even well known across the frontier of North Korea. In fact, 10,000 tied to helium balloons were flown over the border by South Korea activists in 2014. And they sent us 2 of these. So I have 2 little cocoa pies to try out. And looks like we've got some bee honey here. Not quite sure why this is in here unless it goes with one of these other deals. I'm not sure. Just got some honey. It says Pro Gloss Golden Capsule Mask. Oh, this is part of the mask that I got. You know, a while ago when I was reading all the masks, I thought there were just 2. But this is the Golden Capsule Mask. So I missed that a while ago. So little, but I guess, you know, if it's going to have real gold in it, it's probably very precious. Yeah, very interesting. The last item I have in here looks like to be some type of cards. It's called the Hawaii Card Deck, used in the popular Korean game called Go Stop in English. This charming illustrated deck of cards features the seasons of the year. Best of all, you don't need to understand Korean to play. Check out the explainer video on the website and get ready with your family. So that's really cool. And then they give us a little, thing to check out with our camera, one of those code things so we can figure out how to play. So yeah, that was a great box. And they always have it packed. So we got these Kawaii Go Start Playing Game cards, just as a recap. We got in mask, we got this Golden Bee V Pro Gloss Gold Capsule Mask. It's got the bee. Makes me think that it may have some, bee essence in there, which would be great. We got this Marine Luminous Pearl Deep Moisture Mask, and we got the Egg Mask from Korea, which I'm going to love for snacking. We got these cocoa pies. We got these Peppero that celebrated on November 11, 11/11. And then we got these spicy rice cake flavor made out of ramen noodles as a snack. We got this cute little kitty, which I still haven't figured out the box, of course, but these are my little Post-it notes. And then we got this jade duck. And of course, I'm going to have that with my elephants and my cats that I got from Thailand. And don't forget, we got this beautiful postcard, and we always get a postcard. So, you know, what do you think? For $36 in US dollars, and I paid $33 or $34 about, I mean, I think it's a pretty good value. And I think that if you want to see things in different parts of the world, that it's a great subscription. So far, I've seen Korea. We had Egypt this year. We had Scotland this year. We've gone to Guatemala. I can't remember the other ones. I've gone to several places. And then last year they had a holiday box, which went to a bunch of different countries in one box. And that was very good. And that's the one that I started with. It was so interesting. I just had to try it out. So I am real pleased with my Trouvailles box. I think if you were to go and subscribe, that you would like it too. And you get to try out all these fun little things and get such nice little gifts from a country that you would probably never get to see and or pick up little trinkets. So they're doing the shopping for us, showing us the specialties of their country. And of course, this is just a little token, I'm sure, of South Korea, but it's very lovely. But that is all I have today for the Trouvailles box. And let me know, what was your favorite item? My favorite item is this little Caledon ceramic duck. I'm very, very happy to have this and add to my collection, and I can't wait to try out all the foods. My grandkids will probably love playing the games, and I'll play with them, and we'll just see how that goes. But you let me know down in the comments, what was your favorite item of the South Korean box? And before I go away, I've got to add to this. The little Caledon duck, ceramic duck, is my favorite, and then also the Korean mask, because I love to use Korean mask. So those two items are my favorite things. And of course, I like it all and I can't wait to use it all. But you let me know what your favorite items are. As for today, that's all I have for Trouvailles. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are going on. My 850 subscriber giveaway is still going on. That is a great giveaway. You want to be sure and enter. I have other battles and collaborations going on. Be sure and check those out. And that's it, guys. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.